Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to allow specific Chrome extensions in incognito mode. If I click these three dots at the top and open new incognito window, you can see I don't have any extensions installed for this instance. Let's close it. So to allow specific Chrome extensions in incognito, press these three dots, hover over extensions, press manage extensions. Let's say I want to enable this extension for incognito mode. So first of all, this extension should be enabled. So turn it on, enable it, then go to details by clicking details button and toggle this option, allow in incognito. Turn it on. The extension is Ahref SEO toolbar. Now if I press these three dots and select new incognito window, you will see that extension enabled for incognito mode. So this is how you can allow specific Chrome extensions in incognito. But bear in mind, not all extensions can be enabled for incognito. That is because Chrome blocks certain extensions from running inside incognito unless they fully support private mode. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.